Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset Spotify password. So open your Spotify app and in this gear option you have to click on it and you can't see anywhere in this page uh, any password reset password option here. You can't see any kind of option here like for changing password. So you have to just go for this support option and now scroll down, go for can't remember login details. Scroll down again and you can see here reset your password. Now enter your email address here and go for send, and after that they will send you an email. So this is here. On this page, you have to go for this link which is reset password. Now you have to uh, put your new password here. So I'm done. Then go for send. So you can see your password has been reset. So this is how you can reset Spotify password. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.